so here's what we're doing. We have our prototype cast-off machine here. So we've got an arm, counterweight, it's the black thing up on top. We've got an arm and we've got a sponge at the bottom. So what we're going to do there is basically soak it with blood, and then we're going to have this spin around and basically produce a cast-off pattern on the paper here. And so we're going to record this at high speed. So we've got a Photon high-speed camera. This should work out really well. We've used this many times before. And we've got our computer here, and we've got some high-powered lights that are off now because we'll get cooked if we put them on. They're really high-powered, so I'll take some photos and some more video.